Hey everyone, it's Tim here, and today I'll be reviewing OmniSites, which allows you to create WordPress websites with AI. It also allows you to auto-blog with the software, with the plugin that you can download and install on your websites. It comes with a lead finding software and more. So the best thing I can do is to just dive into the software and show you how it works. In case you're interested, you know the drill. There's a link in the description where you can find more information, also custom bonus that you're definitely going to like. I have a video on my page of that bonus that I'm going to give you if you pick this up through my link in case you'd like to get it. For now, let me show you a full demo how OmniSites works. So when you get started, the first thing that I want to show you here is that you can create custom knowledge bases here. So when you have a custom knowledge base, you can basically teach OmniSites about a specific business. So when I click here on new folder, I can create a new business. So in this case, I'm going to use the business which is called Iron Core Fitness Center. I want to create a website for this business. So I'm going to call this knowledge base Iron Core Fitness Center. And then what I can do here is I can provide information about this business. So what I've done, I got a whole document in here that I can paste in here so that I can teach it about my business. It's going to learn everything about my business. So I feed it with data. Now I can also upload here a PDF and Word files if I like to, or you can import a website. Simply add a URL in here. When I do that, you can paste the URL in here and then it will scrape the information from that specific website and it will build a knowledge base based on that URL. In this case, I'm going to click submit. I need to give this a name, so I'm going to call this Iron Core Fitness Center. And I'm going to submit this, and now my knowledge base has been built for this website. So now when I go to my dashboard and I create a new site here, I can select a blank website or a complete website. So you can start from scratch. I like to have a complete website, so I'm going to click complete website. And then from here, you simply go over these steps. So the first step here, type of business. So you could choose from all these different niches. If you want to create an affiliate marketing website, you select that. If you want to have an affiliate blog, you can do that. You can use this for many purposes. So you can see here the different categories that you can choose from. But in this case, I like to choose fitness and wellness. Then I can type my business name in here. So I'm going to paste the same name, Iron Core Fitness Center, and you can change the language as well. So currently all these languages that you're seeing right here are supported by OmniSites. So there are a lot of webs or a lot of languages, as you can see. In this case, I'm just going to keep it the way it is. I'm going to keep this to English and I'm going to hit next here. And in step 2, you simply fill out the business details. Now, you can choose here. So by default, it tries to create a description for you based on what you filled out in step 1 on your company name. But you can also click here, use custom knowledge base. Remember where we started with. So we created a knowledge base of Iron Core Fitness Center. So when I select this one, it's going to look into the information that I've uploaded to the knowledge base, and it's going to rewrite the purpose of this website. So the business details, it now fills out the business details in here about my website. So when I click next here, I can fill out the contact details for my website. So what I'm simply going to do, I go to my document here and I'm going to grab the email address. So this is just for demo purposes. This is not a real business. This is just for demo purposes. So I'm going to fill out these information here. So fast forward, I did the email address here. I did the phone number, the address in here, and you can also have your social handles. So I've got Facebook here. I got Instagram. I got Twitter, X here. And once everything is ready, I simply click on next here and we go to the next step where we can review our content. So here, it filled out all the details. When you open it, you can see the business name, you can see the business description, the services that we are providing. So it grabbed this information from the knowledge base that we created here. So you can see here everything that we do, the headlines, etc. Once you're happy, or if you're not happy, you can rewrite it using AI or make changes yourself. You simply click on next, and from this page, you need to select your images. So by default, it searches for fitness and wellness. So I'm going to click on load more because I know I need a bunch more images for my website. Because when you look at the top here, you can see to get the best results, choose at least 7 portrait and 7 landscape images. So I'm going to choose 7. Let's do 1 and then 2, 3, 4. Let's do 5, 6, 7, and then also landscape. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is not the one. 5, and we all know that one. 6, 7 here. And then once you've done that, you simply click on next here, and check this out. It already comes with templates here. So you can hover over it and you can see it's gonna walk you through the whole pages. I like this design. Check this out here. This is a really nice design, but you can simply go over the templates and choose the templates that fits best to what you like. This is also a very nice one here. I like this one, so let's choose this one here. And now you can already see how it looks like. You can see it already filled out the images in here. This looks really, really good, right? And it filled out all the details. It wrote all the information for your website, all done on autopilot based on your database or on the information that you filled out at the start here. Now you can change the color palettes if you like to. Personally, I think the websites look best the way they are. You can also choose for a dark palette. You can upload your own logo so that it replaces the OmniSites logo. And let's click next and go to the next screen. By the way, you could also see how it looks on tablets and mobile phones. And from here, you can choose which plugins you would like to install on your WordPress website. So if you want to have social share on your website, you can install that as well. If you'd like to have legal provisioner here, you can add this as well. Simply select the ones that you would like to have and then click on next. And you get one more time an overview of all the information on your website, your business description. You can check it, the contact information if that's still correct. And then you simply click on Start Building Website. And now it will start creating the website for you. There's nothing more that you have to do. Your website will be finished in about a minute. So let me go back to you once the website is finished. And there you go. It actually took about 20 seconds. When I paused the video, it was already ready. So let's check this out. When I open this window here, check this out. This is your website. By the way, it is hosted by OmniSites. If you do not like to host this on your own WordPress, you can use their hosting and connect your domain to them. And check this out. Here you got your website. It's all done for you. Check this out here. And also it has a menu at the top. So the About section here, you can also go to different pages on your website here. About us, discover our story and what makes us unique. And of course, you can make changes if you like to, but now you can see the images that we choose at the beginning here. It's using that on our website, our services here. Check this out. And I think it looks really good, right? And this has been built from scratch just by filling out a few details here. So that's it. You also got a contact us form here where you have a contact form on your website here where people can reach out to you. Check this out. And that's basically how you create your websites. Now, there's of course more. So let's go back to the backend here. You can see there is your login information. So you have the URL of the website you created, login information, and you can also see your website or visit your dashboard. So when you click on Visit Dashboard here, it will bring you to the dashboard. You need to confirm that this email address is correct. So I'm going to do Remind Later in this case. And now you can see that I have a WordPress backend. So let me remove here the warnings that are currently in here. And now we can install the auto blog plugin because here you manage everything. Now, this is WordPress. I'm not going to explain how WordPress works, but WordPress works also with plugins. Now, when I go to my login information inside OmniSites, you will see here a download plugins section. So when I go to this section, I'm able to download the auto blogging plugin to my computer. So when I go back here to the plugin section, I can say add plugin. And now I can upload here at the top the plugin that I just downloaded. So when I go to my downloads folder here, you can see the auto blogging. I have it here as well. I open it, I install it. And one thing that I need to do is I need to grab my license key here in order to make this work. So it's copied, I go back, I'm going to activate the plugin. And after activating the plugin, I refresh my screen one time. And now you can see here at the left side, auto blogging. So when I go to the auto blogging, I'm going to fill out my key here. I'm going to connect, and now I can use the auto blogging feature. Now there are two or multiple ways how you can use this auto blogging feature. You can do it manually, like you're seeing it right here, easy mode, where you can say, for example, well, let's make it very easy, fitness tips. And I'm going to click generate outline, or you can generate an outline using the custom knowledge base. So if you have information inside of the knowledge base with some kind of training, you can select that as well. In this case, I'm just going to say generate outline, and now it's going to generate a outline for a blog post for me. And this takes a couple of seconds. There you go. Here you got the full outline. So you see here the title, level up your routine, actionable fitness tips for every lifestyle. You got a hook here, why your fitness journey deserves a fresh start. An opener here, redefining fitness, real people. So once you're satisfied, you can say insert into article. So you need to click this, and now it's going to create the article for you, and it's going to insert that part. It says, yes, blog is created. And you need to go over each section here. So if you're satisfied, you can say, okay, insert to into the blog article. And now it will create the article for you. So you need to go over these steps. This is manually. So let me finish that. I've done that. You can also choose here to generate images. So you can search for images, or you can let AI create images. So let's say here we're going to do fitness, find images. It's going to search for fitness images. And I can say, okay, let's use this one here. And then it's going to use that image in your blog post. So now we can click here on go to post, and this will open the post for us that it created. So here you can see the image has been used here, and there's one flaw right now, and that's that it not created headers. So something has been changed. So they're still developing and making changes to improve the app, because before it also added headlines and H1, H2, H3. So I already reached out to them and I told them, hey guys, it's no longer adding headings, etc. to these blog articles. So that will be fixed soon. But here you can see the article has been created, and you can save and publish the article. So this is one way how you can do it. And then there's also another way inside here, which is the auto mode. And this will do things on autopilot. So when I go to the auto mode here, I can say here, add new, and now I can enter a blog topic. For example, I do fitness here, and I can say the number of articles here. So let's say I want to create 5 articles or 3 articles, whatever you prefer. And now you can say schedule time. I want to do this every day. So if you want to have 5 days of content, you simply do that once a week here. You say, I want to create 5 articles in here from Monday to Friday, and I want to post this on a specific time. For example, I want to post this in the morning. You simply say, okay, at 9 a.m. in the morning, I want to post this, and I want to have this on draft, or I want to automatically publish. So if you want to automatically grow your blogs, you simply click on publish here. You can also choose your knowledge base here if you like to, and add images as well. And then you simply click on create, and your schedule successfully created. So here you go. Now you can see here that this will automatically start publishing blog articles to your website. And from what I've understand, these will be optimized, SEO optimized blog articles. Will try to do a very good job to rank these into Google and the search engines. Now then there's also here a keyword finder. So you could use the keyword finder to find keywords. So if you do fitness, for example, or topics, if you want to find fitness topics, you simply type the word fitness in here, and it will come up with all different kind of topics that you can use to create blog articles for. It's super handy if you'd like to start writing more and more. And there you go. You see here all these articles: 10-minute fitness routine by busy professionals, best home fitness equipment for small spaces, how to start a fitness journey. So you got all different kind of topics, which makes it super easy for you to create content. Now you can also find keywords. You do exactly the same thing and you type in fitness in here. And this is how you can use the auto blogging feature inside of OmniSites. Now, then there is more, because on the inside, when you've logged in here, you also have a lead finder. So when I click on lead finder here, I'm also able to search for businesses. So for example, when I fill out here fitness in Orlando, Florida, USA, radius, let's say, there doesn't even have to be a radius, but it works between 0 and 50. English here, find leads. It's going to search for fitness locations 50 kilometers around Orlando, Florida. So there are the results. As you can see here, you can see all these locations. And when you scroll a little bit to the right, because my screen is a little bit smaller for the recording here, you can also see if these websites are using WordPress or not. So you can also say, hey, I'm going to contact those that do not have a WordPress websites. These are interesting, for example. So you can select the ones that you like here. You can reach out and you can say, I'm going to add these to my hot leads. And when you do that, you can create a folder. So I'm going to click on plus here. No, I should create a folder somewhere else. Oh, it's here. My bad. Enter folder name. So I'm going to say fitness locations, locations, and I'm going to click submit here. And now the data has been successfully added. So now they've been added to the fitness locations. You can also add them to the list here by clicking this button. And then they will appear in your hot lists in this second list here. You can see here they are. You can see those and you can reach out to them. You can also change the status. So once you've reached out to them, you can also say, hey, I've approached this lead, for example. I've approached this lead. And what you can do to approach them here is you can generate an SEO report. So when I click this icon here, it's going to generate a report for their current website with all the details about their website and the things that can be improved, of course. So being totally transparent with you, I tried to render a report for this website, but that wasn't smart because when I opened this website here, I got a blank page. So I took a few other leads here, rendered a new report, but it keeps spinning. So I'm not getting a report at this moment. I will report that to the vendor as well, because I don't know, but I'm not getting the report right now. So I'm not able to show you that feature. Next feature inside of the app here is the context. So when you go to the lead finder here, you got your hot leads, you got email templates. And from here, you will be able to reach out to your leads. So here you got template 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can edit these templates. So you can click on edit here. We want to purchase something from your site. Let's see what template this is. Hey, was checking out your site and notice here. So I'm not sure if you can add your own templates here. Otherwise, maybe you can edit these templates yourself. You can change the text in here. And then you can use these templates to reach out here inside of the lead finder where you have AI email, where you can send emails. So you could use a template name. So I'm going to do test here. We're going to do topic, come join our fitness community and generate email. So now it's going to write an email. You can upload your logo here. You can attach files. So normally you would be able to upload an SEO report to them, and you could change the topic here, of course, and change the message. So here they write the message for you, and then you can choose a template style. This is optional. So these are the templates that you just saw. And then you can reach out through this platform. So you can say save template here if you want to save this as template, or you can send the email through the platform. Now you need to connect your own SMTP provider in order to be able to send emails through the platform. And finally, also you have your custom domain in here where you will be able to connect your own custom domain. So you can click on add new here, where you can add your own domain so you can host everything on OmniSites. You do not need your own hosting. Everything is hosted for you. There's a whole tutorial section in here where you can watch all those videos. It's very organized. As you can see, a lot of videos here, like migration of generated sites, the overview of custom domain, overview of white label option, overview of email templates, etc. SEO report. So it should work. Not sure why it's not working for me right now, but it is in here. Plugins overview, auto blogging plugin. So review post here, review post edit if you do review post on WordPress. So it's well organized, it's well structured. And yeah, that's basically what OmniSites is. And again, if you're interested, check out the link in the description. We'll redirect you to my website where you can read more information about the product, where you can get access to the front end or to the bundle deal. There is a bundle deal. So if you want to get everything included, I recommend you to grab the bundle deal. There's a link on my page where you can redirect to the bundle deal. Because if you're going to purchase every upgrade individually, you will pay way more than with the bundle. Also, again, you're going to get a cool bonus from me. It's on my page. I created a video of my newest software. So go check that out. You're going to get that as well. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up if this video was useful to you. It helps to rank my videos on YouTube. And consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of similar reviews, product reviews to this one. Online marketing software, any type of software. So yeah, hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. For now, thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Bye-bye.